welcome back. So, what happened in the last class? Krishnadevaraya Raja got 4 flower pots as a gift. That gift was very valuable to him. And then he appointed 4 slaves to guard the pot. But one pot broke away. Then what happened? So Raja was very angry with that guard. He gave him the punishment to be hanged. Then let us see what happened. Let us continue. Okay. And then what happened? Let us continue. Look into page number 16. वे अपना सा मुंह लेकर लौट आए. So the minister could not do anything. He was dumbstruck. लेकिन उन्होंने उस सेवक की प्राण रक्षा का संकल्प कर लिया. वे कारागार में गए, सेवक से सारी बात की जानकारी ली और उसके कानों में कुछ कहकर चले आए. But see, the minister was very clever. So who was the minister of Krishnadevaraya? Yeah, it is Tenali Raman. And the Tenali Raman was a very brilliant man. So he wanted to rescue the guard somehow. So what did he do? He went to the prison where the guard was prisoned and said something into his ear. So what it could be? Let us see. फांसी वाला दिन आ गया. So the day came. उस दिन सभी फांसी गृह में एकत्रित हुए. So others also came here where the guard was hanged. महाराजा अभी भी क्रोध में थे और सेवक को फांसी पर झूलता देखने चाहता थे. So Maharaja was still angry and he wanted to see the guard hanging. उससे अंतिम इच्छा पूछा गया. सेवक ने कहा, मैं बाकी बचे हुए फूलदान भी देखना चाहता हूँ जिसकी वजह से मैं फांसी पर चढ़ाया जा रहा हूँ. So the idea is working out now. The idea what the minister gave is working out now. Everybody asked him. That means the king's other guards asked him, what do you want during the end of your life? And the guard said that he wanted to see other flower pots also. So please, I want to see the other flower pots. Then what happened? Look into page number 61. महाराजा की अनुमति से तीनों फूलदान उसके सम्मुख लाए गए. उसने उन फूलदानों को जमीन पर पटक कर चूर चूर कर दिया. See. So what was the idea? The guard just broke down the other flower pots also. महाराजा के क्रोध की सीमा ना रही. महाराजा was still more angry. He was very angry. उन्होंने दहाड़ते हुए पूछा, मूर्ख, ये कीमती फूलदान क्यों तोड़ दिया है तूने? क्या मिला तुम्हें तोड़कर? So Maharaja asked, a fool, why did you break the other also? What did you get from this? So what happened? Let us see. Look into the next page. 3 निर्दोष का जीवन महाराज. निर्भीकता से वह बोला. So he said, by breaking these flower pot also, the other slaves also should be punished like me. So they also should be hanged like me. जिस प्रकार में निर्दोष इन फूलदानों के कारण फांसी पर चढ़ाया जा रहा हो, कभी न कभी मेरी तरह 3 और लोग भी फांसी पर चढ़ाए जा सकते थे. ये फूलदान मनुष्यों के जीवन के अधिक कीमती नहीं है महाराज. So he said, others also want to be hanged because the other flower pots also are broken. So think Maharaja, what you should think? This flower pot is not as valuable as a person's life. And a person's life is more valuable. Okay? उसकी बात सुनकर उन्हें तुरंत आभास हो गया कि क्रोध में वे कैसा अनर्थ करने जा रहे थे। उन्होंने जल्दी सेवक की फांसी स्थगित कर दी। So, and Maharaja understood his mistake, and the guard was released from his punishment. And so that was the story. I hope you all have enjoyed the story and have understood the story. So thank you for listening, my dears, and let's meet in the next class. Bye bye.